Kaya ito, importante ito. No law shall be passed abridging, wag mong pakialaman, wag mong lechehan yan, the freedom of speech. May page lang dito, ano ng yellow. Konstitusyon ito, makapal to. Ewan ko kung ilang pages. Pero itong linya na ito, this is the only thing that I would like to talk to you tonight. Okay, so ito lang yung relevant. Ito yung may connection lang kung bakit nandito tayo. Okay, basahin ko. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people to peaceably assemble, assemble and petition the government for the redress of grievance. Because if you suppress or oppress the people and you do not give them an space to palabasin yung init nilang ulo nila, ang masakit ang loob nila. Ay. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng... Kaya ito, importante ito. No law shall be passed abridging, wag mong pakialaman, wag mong lechehan yan, the freedom of speech.